Everyone says Japanese brands are the most reliable, but is that a fact or just reputation? Reliability isn't just about avoiding the mechanic. It comes down to three things: fewest unexpected repairs, lowest maintenance costs, and longest lifespan. Today we're counting down the top 5 car brands in each category, and at the end I'll reveal the single most reliable brand in America. Think you know who takes the crown? Stick around to find out. If you guessed right, hit subscribe. If you didn't, let's argue it out in the comments. Category 1. Fewest repairs. Unexpected repairs are every car owner's nightmare, but these first 5 automakers build cars that just work, day in and day out, without any surprises. Number 5. Kia. Kia didn't always have the best reputation, but that story's changed. Over the past decade, they've climbed fast in the reliability rankings, and now Kia is one of the most dependable brands on the road. Models like the Forte and Sorento consistently score high in reliability studies, with fewer surprise repairs than many competitors in their class. And according to RepairPal, Kia also ranks among the lowest in average repair costs, which makes it one of the most budget-friendly brands for long-term ownership. If you're looking for modern design without mechanical drama, Kia has quietly become a top contender. Number 4. Hyundai. Hyundai's rise has been one of the biggest turnarounds in the auto industry. 20 years ago, it was all budget economy cars with mixed reliability. Today, Hyundai is a top-tier brand for dependability. Consumer Reports now ranks Hyundai among the most reliable automakers, with models like the Elantra and Tucson reporting fewer unexpected repairs than most competitors. And this isn't just marketing spin. Hyundai backs it up with the longest powertrain warranty in the business, 10 years or 100,000 miles. If you're looking for long-term peace of mind with modern features, Hyundai delivers. Number 3. Acura. Want a luxury car without the luxury car problems? Look at Acura. As Honda's premium brand, Acura shares the same legendary reliability, but adds refined styling, upscale features, and performance upgrades. Models like the TLX and MDX deliver strong driving dynamics, premium interiors, and modern tech, without sacrificing dependability. Unlike many high-end brands, Acura vehicles rarely surprise owners with repair bills. They just quietly get the job done, making Acura one of the smartest plays in the luxury segment. Number 2. Mazda. Mazda doesn't make much noise, but talk to longtime owners and they'll tell you, these cars just don't break. That's no accident. Mazda's approach is all about simple, durable engineering. No bloated tech, no overcomplication. That's no accident. Mazda's approach is all about simple, durable engineering. No bloated tech, no overcomplication. Models like the CX-5 and Mazda 3 have some of the lowest repair rates in their class, year after year. RepairPal ranks Mazda near the top for overall reliability, with fewer surprise breakdowns than most mainstream brands. Quietly reliable and built to stay that way. Number 1. Lexus. Lexus has earned its reputation as the gold standard for reliability. Buy one, keep up with basic maintenance, and it's not unusual for it to run for decades, with barely a hiccup. This isn't marketing fluff, it's backed by hard data. In Consumer Reports' 2024 reliability rankings, Lexus takes the top spot, with the fewest reported issues of any brand. What makes it so bulletproof? Toyota's legendary engineering. Lexus uses time-tested components, avoids overcomplicated tech, and focuses on long-term durability over short-term flash. Models like the RX and ES lead the pack, and even Lexus hybrid systems, which are tricky for other brands, have proven rock solid, just like our channel. If you've made it this far, chances are you care about making smart car decisions. So hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more reliability-driven content every week. Category 2. Longevity. Reliability is great, but real dependability means lasting decades. We're talking 300,000 miles, 20 years on the road, and engines that just won't quit. You've seen it before, an old Toyota Camry still humming along, or a Ford truck hauling loads long after others have hit the scrapyard. But which brands consistently build cars that go the distance? Let's find out which ones actually stand the test of time. Number 5. GMC. GMC may lean upscale, but don't let the chrome fool you. These vehicles are built to last. Take the Sierra 2500 HD. According to iSeeCars, over 5% of them reach 250,000 miles or more. A big deal in the heavy truck world. That's thanks to rugged construction and high-quality materials that hold up to years of punishment. And it's not just the trucks. The GMC Yukon regularly crosses 300,000 miles with routine care. These aren't just long-lasting vehicles. They're often handed down through families, built tough, built to stay. Number 4, Chevrolet. Chevrolet has built its name on durability, and the numbers back it up. According to iSeeCars, the Silverado 2500 HD is one of the longest-lasting trucks on the road, with a solid percentage making it past 250,000 miles. The secret? Chevy's rock-solid powertrains. The 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8s in the Silverado and Suburban are known to cross 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. That's why you still see early 2000s Suburbans and Silverados rolling down highways, hauling, towing, and getting the job done, just like they did on day one. Number 3, Ford. Ford's been building long-lasting vehicles for over a century, and that legacy is alive and well today. The F-Series, especially the F-250 and F-350 Super Duty, has earned a reputation for pushing 300,000 miles and beyond with proper care. But it's not just the trucks. The Ford Expedition is one of the longest-lasting SUVs on the road, frequently passing 250,000 miles. It's a favorite among law enforcement agencies, and those vehicles take a beating. Yet many stay in service well past 200,000 miles without missing a beat. When it comes to vehicles that keep showing up year after year, Ford delivers. Number 2, Honda. Honda has built its reputation on one thing: cars that just keep going. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Honda among the longest-lasting brands, with vehicles like the Civic and Accord regularly crossing 300,000 miles. You've seen it yourself. Older Hondas still on the road, decade after decade, running strong. So what's the secret? Simple, efficient engineering. Honda doesn't overcomplicate, just proven engines and smart design. The legendary K-Series and J-Series motors are known to surpass 200,000 miles with minimal issues. And it's not just the sedans. The CR-V and Pilot are two of the most durable SUVs in their class, often sticking with families for generations. Number 1, Toyota. Toyota doesn't just build reliable cars. They build cars that outlive everything else on the road. According to iSeeCars, Toyota ranks number 1 for long-lasting vehicles, with a stunning 17% expected to hit at least 250,000 miles, nearly double the industry average. What's the secret? No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just smart, proven engineering. Toyota focuses on long-term durability, not flashy trends. The Camry and Corolla are icons, consistently reaching 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. And then there's the Land Cruiser, a global legend, built for the harshest conditions on Earth. 500,000 miles isn't rare, and failure is. That's why you'll find them deep in the desert, in war zones, or climbing mountain roads where reliability isn't optional. It's survival. Category 3, maintenance. Owning a car is one thing, but keeping it running without draining your wallet, that's where true value shows up. Routine maintenance is part of the deal, but some brands make it painless. Affordable parts, simple service, and fewer surprises over the long haul. If you're looking for cars that are easy to live with year after year, these 5 brands stand out from the rest. Number 5, Chrysler. Chrysler might not top the reliability charts, but when it comes to maintenance costs, it punches above its weight. Over 10 years, Chrysler owners spend around $5,600 on maintenance, less than many domestic and international rivals. The secret? Straightforward drivetrain design. Take the Chrysler Pacifica, one of the most popular minivans in the US. It's easier and cheaper to service than competitors like the Honda Odyssey, thanks in part to the proven Pentastar V6 engine and a layout that keeps repairs simple. Lower costs, fewer hassles, and more value than most people expect. Number 4, Volkswagen. Volkswagen might not scream low maintenance, but the data says otherwise. Over 10 years, VW owners spend about $5,600 on maintenance, lower than many domestic and even Japanese brands. That's thanks to durable, efficient engineering. The Jetta and Passat, for example, come with turbocharged engines and long-lasting transmissions, reliable when maintained properly, without the high service costs of luxury German brands. VW also benefits from strong parts availability and a broad network of independent mechanics, which helps keep repair bills in check. And with recent models showing better long-term reliability than past generations, Volkswagen has quietly become a cost-friendly choice. Number 3. Nissan. Nissan is one of the most affordable brands to own over the long haul. On average, owners spend just over $5,700 over 10 years, significantly less than many rivals. That's thanks to efficient, time-tested drivetrains. Models like the Altima and Rogue use engines that have been around for years, easy to service, easy to source parts for, and well known by mechanics. Nissan also keeps maintenance relatively simple, especially in models without CVTs. While some earlier CVT-equipped cars had issues, newer Nissans are proving more reliable and far more cost-effective. Factor in strong fuel economy across the lineup, and Nissan adds up to real savings over time. Number 2. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi might fly under the radar, but when it comes to maintenance costs, it's a standout. According to RepairPal, the brand averages just $535 a year in repairs, with 10-year costs hovering around $5,200, beating many mainstream competitors. Why so low? Simple, no-frills engineering. Vehicles like the Mirage and Outlander use small, naturally aspirated engines, no turbos, no high-performance parts, and fewer things to go wrong. Fewer moving parts means fewer failures, and Mitsubishi backs it all up with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, one of the longest in the industry. Low risk, low cost, low coverage. Number 1. Buick. Buick might not make headlines, but when it comes to maintenance costs, it's a quiet champion. Over 10 years, Buick owners spend just $4,900 on average, one of the lowest totals in the industry. Why so affordable? Simple, proven engineering. Models like the Encore and Enclave run on well-tested GM powertrains, without the high-maintenance features you'd find in more performance-focused brands. Parts are widely available, easy to service, and often shared with Chevrolet, which keeps costs down even further. If you want premium comfort without premium repair bills, Buick is one of the smartest choices you can make. So which brand builds the most reliable cars overall? When you combine repair frequency, longevity, and maintenance costs, one name rises to the top: Toyota. They're affordable to maintain, built to last, and almost never leave you stranded. If you want a car that truly goes the distance, Toyota should be on your short list. Now it's your turn. Have you ever owned a car from one of the brands we covered? How did it hold up over time? Drop your story in the comments. We read every one. And if this helps you out, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breakdown.